In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Chatgpt unusual activity error. Whether you're a regular user or just getting started, encountering this error can be frustrating. But don't worry, we'll walk through the steps to resolve it quickly and get back to using Chatgpt with ease. First, let's start by closing Chatgpt. It's crucial to properly close application tabs or windows that might be running in the background. This clears out any temporary glitches that could be causing problems. Next, you'll need to wait for at least 15 minutes before reopening Chatgpt. This downtime is key because it allows any active sessions or temporary files to reset. While it might feel like a long wait, using this pause gives your system the chance to resolve lingering issues naturally. Once your waiting time is up, go ahead and reopen Chatgpt, but don't jump into your tasks just yet. Head to the top left corner of your browser and click refresh. This step ensures that your browser loads the most recent version of the page, discarding any outdated or corrupted data that might have been causing the error before. Let's move on to the next step. Disabling any browser extensions you have running. Extensions sometimes interfere with site functionality, especially if they are blocking or filtering data in some way. Temporarily turning them off helps determine if one of these could be the source of the error. Simply go to your browser settings, locate the extensions tab, and toggle them off. You can always re-enable them once your issue is resolved. Network connectivity might seem like an obvious check, but it's critical. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. Unreliable internet access can lead to connection drops or incomplete data transfers, resulting in errors. Rebooting your router or switching to a more stable connection in your vicinity can make a huge difference. Another effective move is to log out of your Chatgpt account and then log back in. This may seem simple, but it can refresh your session, eliminating temporary issues with authentication or expired tokens that might be preventing normal operation. Finally, it's important to check the server status of OpenAI. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end, but with the service provider. Navigate to OpenAI's official status page to see if any outages or disruptions are reported. If there's indeed an issue, it might be comforting to know that it's being worked on by the team, and all you need is a little patience. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the unusual activity error and continue using Chatgpt as intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.